Dear students, I would like to teach you a poem called Homecoming Sun, which is there in the BSc text. This poem, Homecoming Sun, is written by a poet called Serge Gabre Medin. Students, before you look at this poem, you should have a very basic idea on the biographical note on this poet. Medin was born in Ethiopia and he was a poet, playwright, art director, pacifist, and a human rights activist. He was very proud of Ethiopia's long history of independence and her unique cultural heritage. If you look at this poem, what you will get the idea is that the background or the feelings of the poet becomes very important to understand the whole poem. Being born in a place called Ethiopia, this poet, he has a very deep feeling for his native land. Now, students, before we move on to the poem, now you just look at a very important word which the poet uses in the poem, and it has a very deep connotation. So now you look at the word expatriate. What is the meaning and context or the usage of this word in the poem? An expatriate is a person residing in a country other than their native country. In common usage, the term often refers to professionals, skilled workers, or artists taking positions outside their home country, either independently or sent abroad by their employers. However, the term expatriate is also used for retirees and others who have chosen to live outside their native country. The term expatriate milieux have been the setting of many novels and short stories, often by authors who spent years living abroad. So, why I am explaining this word, a particular word? Because this word becomes very important in learning the thematic element of the poem, because throughout the poem the poet talks about these expatriates, the people who stay, who earn, and who spend their life in a foreign country. But what happens for a person who lives in a foreign land other than their native country? You will see that the concepts of immigrant feeling, the hybridity and identity crisis, or what you call it as diasporic writings. Because what happens, the person who lives in an other land always have identity crisis, and he will have two cultural conflicts. One is his native culture and the other is the country and its culture where he lives. And also he always has the feeling of immigrant or the feeling of outsider throughout his lifetime. So by having this basic knowledge, now if you look at the theme of the poem, what you will see? The poet constantly insisted that his country needed heroes and used the theatre. Literally, the poet, he has written many plays throughout his career, and he used this theatre deliberately to teach us compatriot to respect the Ethiopian heroes of their past. Students, in order to understand this poem, you should know that the three important things are very much important to understand this poem. One is the person who lives in a foreign land and his feelings. And next, how the country needs its own children. So, the poet gives a call for coming back to their own native land. And not only that, the poem portrays the glorious heritage, rich culture, and a pride of being black in a place called home. Because here, what you will see, the poet is showing the uniqueness of black color and the black people and their culture. And not only that, the poet tells his natives that they should not forget the uniqueness or the beauty of their own black culture. So this is the first session on this poem, and we can continue the thematic element in the second session. Thank you.